Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel Walmart membership online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first step that you need to do is go ahead and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in walmart.com. And once you hit enter, or once you are inside, you'll be seeing this Walmart homepage. Right now on the top left corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your three horizontal icon. Right, simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here on the top of the option you'll be seeing an option that says Walmart Plus. Tap on that, and once you're inside Walmart Plus, here you can see your membership details. Now in order to cancel Walmart membership, all you got to do is scroll down, and then you'll find an option that says cancel my membership. Now simply tap on that and follow the process to cancel Walmart membership online. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.